Everyone was super curious how to use the 0 calorie, 0 sugar eggnog skinny syrup. So I'm gonna make a salted caramel eggnog protein coffee today. So I've got 12 ounces of coffee here. I'm making mine hot, but you definitely can do an iced coffee with this. All right, eggnog skinny syrup, however much your heart desires. I normally probably do 3-4 pumps, but I like my stuff super sweet, so keep that in mind. Salted caramel skinny syrup. I'm gonna use a salted caramel protein shake, but I want mine warm, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 minute, but I'm gonna keep out an ounce so we can make a protein foam. While the protein shake's in the microwave, is this Buc-ee's Christmas cup not the most gorgina thing you've ever seen? I saw it and I was like, gotta get it. All right, salted caramel shake in now. She's nice and toasty. Let's make a salted caramel eggnog protein foam now. We're gonna use the little bit that's left of our salted caramel shake. Pour that in. A little bit of the eggnog skinny syrup. Just a little. And I'm gonna jazz it with just a little extra salted caramel skinny syrup. Because the shake's salted caramel, you could leave it out if you want. But I'm extra, and I'm not apologizing for it, okay? All right, mixy mix, babes. And I'll just mix this until it thickens and becomes a foam. I'll show you. All right, we're foamed up. Pour it over the top. Oh, it smells so good. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. And a little 0 calorie, 0 sugar skinny syrup to top it off. I need to get more of this. I'm almost out, and that is a crime. It looks so good. Can you see it? All right, taste test. Oh, yeah. All right, now I'm in the Christmas spirit, and maybe I can get my Christmas tree put up tonight. No guarantees, though. Am I the only one? Do y'all have your Christmas tree up yet? Y'all probably put it up before Thanksgiving, didn't you? You did. You did.